दोस्तों ये डिक्टेशन की स्पीड रहेगी 80-85 वर्ड्स पर मिनट। गेट रेडी। 5 seconds to go। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, I would like to inform the House that of late a disturbing trend is being seen in the country. Youngsters are falling prey to hypertension with the world growing at a rapid pace. Diseases are afflicting youngsters with faster pace. One of the major diseases which is plaguing youngsters of our country is hypertension. If we go through the latest World Health Organization report, it would be astonishing to find out that hypertension is affecting 36% of males and 34% of females. What is more disturbing is that it is affecting those youngsters who are in the age group of 25 years. Young people, due to a lot of pressure, opt to work in stressful environment. Added to this, they are easily attracted to junk food with high salt content. Though the World Health Organization report on hypertension is concerning the youngsters of the world, we should not lose sight of the fact that India has a huge young population. I would like to urge the central government and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to address the issue. A holistic step should be taken by the ministry by initiating a national program which should address various facets of hypertension. A proper monitoring and awareness should be started to unshackle the youngsters of the country from the grips of hypertension. Otherwise, India, as a developing nation, could be paying a hefty price in the years ahead. It is a matter of deep anguish and pain that differently abled persons are not treated with compassion they deserve, since there are no special provisions or amenities for them which they amply deserve. As such, I demand from the government that the subsidy being provided on petrol or diesel in respect of personal vehicles used by the differently abled people should be implemented in practice. They should be allowed free travel in public transport, including AC buses. They should be given all the facilities available to the BPL category. Their pension should be fixed at rupees 1000 and it should be delinked from the other kind of pension given by the union government. Differently abled employees should be given passenger allowance on the pattern of same provided by certain state governments. I sincerely hope the government would sympathetically consider the genuine demands of the differently abled persons. Madam, there is no doubt that the pesticides which are being used by the farmers to ensure high yield of their crops are as harmful for human beings as it is for the ecosystem. Madam, there is a growing use of pesticides today in our country. Wherever these pesticides are used, it is proven that over 90% of the pesticides get mixed in the soil and water, polluting the entire water bodies as well as the soil. This is also one of the reasons for the rising cases of cancer that is spreading in our country. Madam, in my state of Punjab, it is found that the content of pesticides in the blood samples of the farmers is much higher than anywhere else in the world. In fact, even the milk of lactating mothers has residues of pesticides. There are uranium contents in the hair of children as well. The indiscriminate use of pesticides is leading to hazardous problems in the health of human beings. The flora and fauna and the entire ecosystem are getting spoiled. There is a rising spread of all the diseases which are being caused. This indiscriminate use of pesticides is harming the entire ecosystem. It is unfortunate that nobody is looking into the indiscriminate use and harmful side effects of these pesticides. Madam, I just want to know from the government whether they plan to have some dedicated body which looks into this legislation. There is a need for strict implementation of laws which creates some awareness at the ground level for the farmers to realize the side effects of pesticides. Will they ensure the implementation of these laws so that in the future these things can be arrested and we do not have to face these harmful effects? Madam, the honorable members has raised a very important question. She is absolutely right that the indiscriminate use of pesticides just lead to tremendous health and environmental hazards all over the country. The honorable member referred to the regions of Punjab. We actually have the details for Punjab itself. I would like to inform the honorable members that the Punjab Agricultural University had collected samples of food, and out of a total of 162 vegetable samples, residues over the permissible limit were detected in 5 cases. Although the extent is not as much as the honorable member says, there was considerable pesticide leading to health hazards in this area. Madam, the issue of pesticides is something which is a cross cutting issue, and it is not just that the Ministry of Environment is responsible for this. Full stop.